Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a form here on ClickUp. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in ClickUp, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a form here in ClickUp is a straightforward process because forms are great for gathering information or requests from external users, clients, or maybe team members. Now, basically, here's how you can create a form in ClickUp. Number one is go to the space or folder, open the ClickUp, and navigate to the space or folder where you want the form responses to be submitted. In this case, I'm going to be clicking on this one, how to create a form. I'm going to click on it. Now here, all I have to do is click on the view button here. Beside the board, there's going to be a plus button next to the views bar where you can add new views. You see there's going to be a lot of options for you to choose from list, calendar, doc, board, table, and of course, the form where you can collect data from users. So I want you to click on it. And from here, as you can see, you can drag any field into this area. This is going to be the form builder. All right, so you can put in task name, for example. We're going to be creative about it. We're going to drag this. You can put in the description, drop it here. For example, this is going to be that. Let's say this is going to be deep laughs form. Okay. You have an option for the time estimate if you want it. For example, this is going to be like required, right? Like, for example, if you wanted to set some dates or deadlines, you might want to do so. Okay. Now, after that, you can also put in the assignee to make sure that the responsibility of the form will be given to someone who is accountable. If you don't want it, all I have to do is click on the remove from this form. All right. Now, you see on the right side, you can make it an active form. All right. Or you can click that on make an inactive. Now, you can assign this task, however, you need to upgrade to business plans. This is very helpful if you are working with a lot of freelancers or you're dealing with your clients or even team members within an organization. All right, so you can direct the URL of this specific form. For example, every time they click the form, they will be redirected to the Deep Laughs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button so you get notifications about our daily content. All right, so we have so many ClickUp tutorials for you to look at. All right, and then I'm gonna click this. Oh no, not actually click. I'm going to copy the YouTube channel. No, I'm not a robot. I'm gonna copy this and switch back to the ClickUp. Now, once I've switched over to the Deep Laughs, I'm gonna click the redirect URL. You also have the option for the theme. Is it gonna be light, dark? But of course, you need to access the Business Plus for you to be more creative about the primary color right here. And of course, you have the ClickUp branding, add custom field answers to the description of task, and got all of these information. All right. But of course, if once you're happy with that, you can also add in some. Add a custom field if you wanted. All right. Now, if you add an existing fields here, you can group by field type and location, and you can also have the access for the filter. All right. If you don't want that, I'm just showing you some options in creating form. Now, I'm going to put in some attachment here. I'm going to remove the time estimate. I'm going to remove that. Assignee, we're going to remove that as well. I'm going to put in the tags on below the attachment. Once you're happy with that, you see, all I have to do is you can put in the response message, but it's quite limiting if you are on the free plan. All right. So once you're happy with that, All I have to do is click the submit button and wait for it. You may want to add some description here. Now, you don't have to worry because it's automatically saved on your dashboard, okay? Once you're happy with that, you might want to check the preview button to see if this is going to be the final render of your form. You see that? Attachment. You can drop your files here to upload if you wanted. You can select the tags. For example, I'm going to be putting in this specific tags right here. Or I'm going to put in something like this. All right, so you have all of these options when you create your form here on ClickUp. Now, once you have created your first form here in ClickUp, you are now allowed to collect standardized information from users, clients, or team members in a consistent format, ensuring you gather all required details without the need for back and forth communication. As you can see, you have the option to copy this link, share with your with the search engines. You also have the option for the expire link to never expire. You can auto size embed height. You can embed the code on your website, especially if you have like a working with your website. For example, you have your Squarespace and WordPress. All right, you can add another task on the upper right corner. You see, there are multiple ways for you to be creative and have more control about your forms. You can add less assignee, but the thing is, again, it's quite limiting if we're in the free plan. If you wanted to scale up, you might want to upgrade to the unlimited $7 per month. You see? Now, you can rename this form. You can have this as settings. You can delete and duplicate. And of course, sharing and permissions is okay. But all I have to do is invite by name or email. All right? Or you can also have the option to make it private. Once you've done that, you can always create custom fields to collect exactly the information you need, such as, project specifications, budget estimates, or bug reports, making the form versatile for different purposes. Because forms are ideal for collecting feedback for a product, event, or service, and for managing requests such as content submissions, event registrations, or creative briefs. Now, if in case you encounter any problems along the way creating a form here with ClickUp, like a bug or a glitch, you might want to go here on the ClickUp Help Center and type in your questions to see if you get an answer. Because one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix your problem if in case you encounter any problem or issues creating a form. There's like a ClickUp AI support on the bottom right corner. Let's see if you get an answer. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.